What type of profile are you most connected with on LinkedIn? Is it a CEO? Is it a co-founder? Is it an account executive? Is it a data scientist? Now, this is a very interesting question, and the answer to this question can help us create targeted posts for our audience. In addition, you can also grow your network qualitatively rather than quantitatively. Welcome to the channel Data Science Demonstrated. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to extract the connection information from your LinkedIn profile and convert it into powerful insights. Now, LinkedIn has got this connection tab, but it has got a very limited data analysis. Now, fortunately, LinkedIn provides this export feature where you can extract all the connection data as well as various other data. Now, if you export the connection data, you will see the name of your connection, you will see a URL of your connection as well as the position and the date of your connection. Now, this is really a wealth of information and we can convert this into very powerful insights. And let me show you a demo using my own LinkedIn connection data. Now here you see a sample data from my connection list and I've only shown few of the fields for privacy reasons. And the first thing what we can do is we can chat with this data. Now we can ask a question such as give me some descriptive statistic about this data as well as give me a data story. Now this particular chatbot tool is available on my platform experiencedatascience.com and you can also try it out with your own data. And you can see that this chatbot is pretty intelligent and it has already given some very powerful insights. We can see that I have created almost about 9,200 plus connections in the last 10 years. And most of my connections happened in 2021. I think the reason for this is that before 2021, I was working in a data science position. But since 2021, I have shifted to product marketing position. So naturally, when you're in marketing, you tend to increase your connection on LinkedIn. Now, in addition, the chatbot has also given us some data story tips. And I think this data story tip around exploring the positions is a very interesting one. So let us do that. Now, analyzing the position data is not very simple because different people can describe the same position in different ways. So for example, if you take the position of a founder CEO, it can be described in 50 different ways, such as founder, founder CEO, co-founder, etc., etc. Now we can use the power of data science, specifically text analytics and text clustering, to group similar looking positions together. Now here is the text clustering results showing to the different positions to which I'm connected. I've clustered all the positions to which I'm connected into 10 different clusters. Each dot on this scatter plot corresponds to a connection and the color of the dot corresponds to a cluster. And you can hover over these dots to see the positions behind it. And let us hover over the cluster which is shown over here in green color, which is the cluster number 6. And as you can see that this corresponds to the position founder CEO. Now you can do a detailed analysis of these clusters using a word cloud and you can see that the top occurring words in this cluster number 6 is indeed co-founder, CEO, chief executive officer, etc., etc. Now I've also tried to interpret all the 10 different clusters and all of them are represented here as a word cloud. And as you can see that the cluster 0 corresponds to the AI tech lead. The cluster 1 corresponds to a product manager, cluster 2 is VP sales, cluster 3 is data scientist, data analyst, cluster 4 is senior data scientist, senior data analyst, cluster 6 is founder CEO as we already seen, cluster 7 is vice president, cluster 8 is sales account executive and cluster 9 is head of data analytics. So this is a pretty rich set of connections which I've made over the last 10 years and I'm pretty happy with it. Now I can also use a bar chart to see the top positions to which I'm connected. And here you can see that the top positions to which I'm connected is indeed the cluster number 6, which is the founder and CEO, followed by the cluster number 2, which is the VP sales, and then followed by the cluster number 1, which is the product manager. Now, interestingly, I made this analysis before 2021, where I was working in a data science or a technical role. And at that point of time, my top connections were head of data analytics, data scientist, and data analyst. But since 2021, I've shifted to product marketing. My top positions to which I'm connected are founder, CEO, VP sales, and product manager. So this is a very powerful insight indicating the change in my career progression. Now, if you want to extract insights from your own LinkedIn data, you can do so without coding on my platform, experiencedatascience.com. This platform allows to quickly experiment with your data science and AI ideas. So go to the platform experiencedatascience.com. The link is in the description below. And then go to the Experience LinkedIn Data Analysis. In this, you can go to the data story, which will explain you all the things which I've shown you in this video. In addition, you'll also see a video tutorial which will explain you on how to go from LinkedIn data, export it and convert it into powerful insights. And then you can go to the tab Data to Insights, which will allow you to extract all the different visuals which I've shown you, such as the text clustering as well as word cloud. And then you can also go to the Data to Demo tab, which will allow you to put all the different insights into a nice looking demo. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If yes, please to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video, and see you soon in another exciting demo video.